It's 2050. You wake up. The city is quiet. Too quiet. You step outside. The streets are clean but empty. No construction workers shouting over machinery. No delivery drivers stuck in traffic. No factory workers clocking in for their shift. Construction sites don't echo with human voices anymore. Factories never close. Hospitals never stop running. Machines handle everything now. Not because humans disappeared, but because robots simply became better. They don't get tired after 12 hours. They don't complain about conditions. They don't make careless mistakes. They don't call in sick. They don't need breaks. They don't need sleep. They don't need anything. And every single year, they improve. Faster processors, stronger frames, smarter software. Every year, the gap between what a robot can do and what a human can do grows wider. So where does that leave us? For thousands of years, humanity survived one way. The same way every single time. Adapt or die. When we weren't strong enough to hunt, we sharpened stones into spears. When we weren't fast enough to travel, we tamed horses and built wheels. When our hands couldn't shape the world alone, we invented hammers and forges. When distance defeated us, we built engines. When our minds couldn't calculate fast enough, we built computers. Every generation in human history faced a wall, a moment where the human body simply wasn't enough, and every single generation found a way to break through that wall, not by changing what we are, but by building what we need. This time should be no different, but this time, something changed. The technology we built wasn't designed to help us anymore. It was designed to replace us. Robots that build faster than any crew, software that thinks faster than any mind, machines that work harder than anybody ever could. The world stopped asking how to make humans better. It started asking how to make humans unnecessary. But while everyone was focused on building better robots, something else was quietly evolving in the background. A different kind of technology. One that nobody was paying attention to. Not designed to replace the human body. Designed to upgrade it. The exosuit. A machine you don't stand beside. A machine you don't operate from a distance. A machine you wear. It wraps around your skeleton. It fuses with your movement. It reads your body and responds before you even think. And it makes you something more than human. Now imagine 2050 again. But this time, you're not standing there empty-handed. An android can lift 10 times what you can. But with an exosuit, you match it. An android can run without stopping. But with an exosuit, so can you. An android can work 24 hours straight. But with an exosuit, your body keeps going long after it should have quit. An android calculates faster than any human brain. But it cannot improvise when the plan falls apart. It cannot feel the weight of a moment that changes everything. It cannot look at a situation and make a decision based on instinct and experience and something deep inside that it can't even explain. That is what makes us different. That is what no machine has ever replicated. Without enhancement, humans simply cannot compete. The math doesn't work. The numbers don't lie. But what if you put on the suit? The machine gives you strength. You give it judgment. The machine gives you endurance. You give it creativity. The machine gives you power. You give it purpose. The machine gives you speed. You give it soul. An android will always outperform an unassisted human, but an upgraded human is a different equation entirely. Maybe the answer was never man versus machine. Maybe it was never about choosing one or the other. Maybe it was always about combining both, human and machine, working as one. Because evolution doesn't take millions of years anymore. We don't wait for DNA to catch up. We don't wait for natural selection to solve the problem. We choose our own evolution now. We engineer it, we build it, we wear it, and if that future arrives sooner than we think, the question won't be, will humans survive? It will be, what kind of humans will we become? Because the suit isn't just technology, it's a decision. A decision to stay in the race. A decision to refuse to become obsolete. A decision that might define the next chapter of our entire species. And this is not the end of the story. This is not even the middle. This might only be the beginning.